नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं शिवमन सोलंकी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल लॉ टेस्टिंग में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज मैं आपको पुनः एक नए विषय की ओर ले जाने के लिए आया हूं। आज का विषय एंटीसिपेटरी बेल से संबंधित है। एंटीसिपेटरी बेल का प्रावधान 438 CRPC 1973 के अंतर्गत दिया गया है, जो कि हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में भी लागू है। अभी कुछ समय पहले हमारे एक मित्र हमसे रूबरू हुए और वो एक केस पर चर्चा करने लगे, जहां पर उन्होंने बताया कि एंटीसिपेटरी बेल ज्यूरिडिक्शन के ग्राउंड पर उनकी खारिज कर दी गई। उसी के बाद मेरे दिमाग में आया कि क्या एंटीसिपेटरी बेल के लिए ज्यूरिडिक्शन आवश्यक है। तो आइए इस विषय पर अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप कुछ रोशनी डालने का प्रयास करूंगा कि एंटीसिपेटरी बेल बियॉन्ड ज्यूरिडिक्शन भी दी जा सकती है। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ऑनरेबल जस्टिस सिद्धार्थ के द्वारा एक बेल एप्लीकेशन अलाउ की गई थी। एंटीसिपेटरी बेल एप्लीकेशन फाइल्ड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एप्लीकेंट इन रिलेशन टू FIR रजिस्टर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 504, 506, 384, 467, 468, 120B Indian Penal Code 1860. Applicant 15-year-old, the applicant 2 and 3 are sons, and the applicant 4 is the daughter of applicant 1, and the applicant number 2 and 4 are the director of several companies situated at Agra. The applicant 5 and 6 are the employees of said company, and applicant 6 was earlier directors of complainant company. Huge amount has been paid to the opposite party number 3, who is director of Vastu Colonizer Private Limited, having its office at Jaipur through the Pink City Infrastructure Private Limited, for providing the land of 380 bighas at Jaipur for the development of township and the colonies. However, till date, only 80 bighas of land has been provided and the money has not been returned to the applicant's company through the Pink City Infrastructure Private Limited. Pink City Infrastructure Private Limited thus lodged an FIR against the opposite party number 4 and other person in Agra, which has been registered at FIR 0508 of 2021 on 11/12/2021 at police station in Agra under section 120B, 406, 420, 467, 468, 471 IPC, as they had cheated the applicant's company and not provided the land as agreed. Therefore, as a counter blast, FIR 444 of the 2022 has been lodged by the opposite party number 3 against the applicants and several other person only to create a pressure upon them to appear in the court at Jaipur. Counsel for the applicant has submitted the FIR has been lodged at the police station Mansarovar, Jaipur city, Rajasthan, and the applicant are the resident of district Agra in the state of UP. They are willing to appear before the court concerned at Jaipur, Rajasthan, for the purpose of getting bail. However, they may be granted transit anticipatory bail for short time so that they may appear before the competent court at Jaipur under limited protection granted by this court by way of time-bound transit anticipatory bail. This is the particular topic, time-bound transit anticipatory bail. I repeat it. Additional government advocate has been opposed the prayer made on behalf of the counsel for the applicants and has submitted that this court has no jurisdiction to grant and protection to the applicant. The office has taken place outside the state. The court, after listening to the parties, found there is no legislation or law which define transit or anticipatory bail in definite or specific term. The term transit means the act of being moved from one place to another, while the word anticipatory bail means a temporary release of an accused person who is anticipating arrest. Therefore, transit anticipatory bail refer to bail granted to any person who is appearing arrest by police of a state other than state he is presenting located in. The court further explained that transit anticipatory bail is different from ordinary bail. Ordinary bail is granted after arrest, releasing the accused from custody, while anticipatory bail is granted to the anticipation of arrest. It precedes detention of the accused and is effective immediately at the time of the arrest. The court further emphasized on the fact that transit bail is protection from arrest from a certain definite period as granted by the court granting such transit bail. The mere fact that an accused has been granted transit bail does not mean that the regular court, under whose jurisdiction the case would fall, would extend such transit bail and would cover such transit bail into anticipatory bail. Upon the grant of transit bail, the accused person who has been granted such transit bail has to apply for anticipatory bail before the regular court. The court further relied on the decision of the Bombay High Court in Tista Atul Setalwal versus State of Maharashtra 2014 Supreme Court, Bombay 4819, where it was held that the High Court of one state can grant transit bail in respect of case registered within the jurisdiction of another High Court, an exercise of power under Section 438 of the Criminal Procedure Code. In appeal to the Supreme Court, has declined to intervene with the said order. Tista Atul Setalwal was State of Maharashtra 2014. The court consequently held that there is no fetter on the part of the High Court in granting a transit anticipatory bail to enable the applicant to approach the court, including High Court, where the offence is alleged to have been committed and the case is registered. The court allowed the anticipating finding that there are commercial transaction issues between the applicant and the complainant, and there are criminal cases lodged by the parties against each other, and that it is a fit case for the applicant should get the privilege of transit arrest bail. Amit Garg versus State of UP 2022 Supreme Court, online, Allahabad 463, decided on 6/7/2022. In this case, the court has decided what is transit anticipatory bail. तो आपने देखा कि ट्रांसिट एंटीसिपेटरी बेल के माध्यम से हाई कोर्ट्स बियॉन्ड द जुरिडिक्शन भी बेल ग्रांट कर सकती हैं। तो निचली अदालतों के द्वारा जुरिडिक्शन के ग्राउंड पर एंटीसिपेटरी को बेल को खारिज करना न्यायोचित नहीं है। अगर कोई व्यक्ति किसी दूसरे स्टेट में जा कर के या फिर जुरिडिक्शन के ग्राउंड पर अगर कोई कोर्ट बेल को खारिज कर रही है तो गलत कर रही है, क्योंकि माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के दिशा निर्देशों के अनुसार ट्रांसिट एंटीसिपेटरी बेल का भी प्रोविज़न आ चुका है। दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरे चैनल समझ में आता है तो कृपया इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।